Alright, for the second game I'm going to be reviewing, it's the well-known game of chess. So I don't know how much of an educational purpose this game plays, so it's probably more entertaining, but I guess it could be educational a little bit as it kind of uh, involves critical thinking, analyzing, and applying what you see from the opponent to do what you do for your turns. So, for instance, he'll go first. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. But so I analyze that move. It doesn't really take too much of an effect right away, but I can move my piece. And then off of what he does, I'll move my next piece. And for this move, I'll do a bad move. I'll go right here. He's probably going to take that queen. But I can analyze his moves and move accordingly. So I should not have done that, clearly. Um, so now I'm going to move here to put this piece in danger. So if he doesn't do anything to protect it, I'll take it. So things like that. So you can use critical thinking to analyze the situation and critically think like what move would be best. So um, it's a really good game to like help your brain, I guess, in a way. But I don't know how educational it is for like teaching and learning and stuff. But it was interesting. I wanted to review it briefly.